we haven't got any more of this, so we can't really get it in our hands. So do you want me to take it? Stuff it up with the rest and take it out.
It likes my ears. What can I say?
Yeah, wait until you get the one that will stick the tongue up the nose and stick it in your mouth.
It's going to eat the phone now.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You can't eat the phone.
That's why I was doing it.
You can't eat the phone. You want a bird? Have that? Oh, you nearly fell over, silly bird. Yeah, make it a bit easier for you.
It's a bit easier to eat the phone.
Yeah, obviously likes the case. A funny bird, this one. It's me off getting licked ears and everything.